Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I like to do a Botox or keratin treatment because my hair has been so dry and so brittle and frizzy and just a hot mess. I mean, I've been moisturizing it, but it's just been soaking up everything I've put in it. So I'm going to start off by making sure my hair is saturated and fully drenched with water, and my water temperature is like lukewarm, more so on the warmer side, not completely hot, but you know, on the warmer side. And I'm going to go ahead and drench my hair in water because I want to wash my hair first. And Botox or keratin treatments are great for if your hair just needs some restoration, some more manageability, some shine. It's just going to give your hair more sleekness and silkiness. It just brings your hair back to life. So I'm going to go ahead and take this Nutree Professional Amazon List Açaí and Cacau Anti-Frizz shampoo. And I'm going to take maybe like a quarter size amount, a little more, and just apply it straight to my scalp. I like to focus mainly on my scalp when I shampoo because I mean that is the root of where your hair is growing from. So if you want long, healthy growing hair, the key to that is the main thing you have to do is make sure you have a clean scalp. I like to shampoo my hair maybe like once every other week or once a week, depending on how I had my hair or whatever, if I had a lot of product buildup. So, you know, I just make sure to clean my scalp really good. So I want to rinse this shampoo out really good because after this I'm going to go ahead and condition. So I'm just rinsing this shampoo out nice and thoroughly. The water feels so good. Yeah, I love a clean scalp. It just feels so good when your hair is just freshly washed. Oh my god. So now I'm going to take the Nutree Professional Amazon List Açaí and Cacau Anti-Frizz Conditioner. And yeah, I am so obsessed with this conditioner. I'm actually obsessed with their products in general. The packaging is even so pretty. It's this pretty aqua blue color. And I just love how the top just turns for the product to dispense right out. That way you don't have to worry about having a loose cap or anything. And clearly I'm ODing on the conditioner per usual. I love to OD on conditioner because I mean my hair is always so tangled. I know it probably look like it's good or whatever, but I'm telling y'all, in the depths of this jungle it's a lot going on. So I like to detangle with my fingers first, and I do this while my hair is completely saturated in conditioner. It just gives my hair a little more slip. It makes it easier for me to detangle when I actually do it with the comb or with my flexi brush, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this side up and then move on to the other side and do the same thing. And yeah, I am so in love with this conditioner. My hair is so in love with this conditioner. It's just so freaking moisturizing. Oh my god. So now I'm going to take my flexi brush, and in my opinion I think the flexi brush is a little better than the dimming brush, although I do love the dimming brush. The flexi brush, I don't know, I just feel like my detangling process is so much more quicker and better when I use this flexi brush. And I like to use it like up and down, like going vertical and then going horizontal. So I take it up and down and then get my ends, and then you know, you see what I'm doing. I brush sideways and then I go up and down. For some reason it just helps me detangle way quicker without pulling my hair out. And you guys know when I detangle I always like to start at the bottom then making my way up. And I like to take any hair that came out that my brush didn't catch and put it on like a shampoo bottle or the conditioner bottle, and then when I get out the shower I take a napkin and then clean it off. It's better than going down your drain. It's gross, I know, but better than in your drain and clogging up your drain. So I just moved on to the other side, and what I also love about this conditioner is I feel like the more that I brush my hair, I don't know, it's like the conditioner just got thicker or it just foamed up. Like, I don't know, this conditioner is just so moisturizing. It's literally getting thicker as I brush it, which I love because look at that definition and that sleekness it's giving my hair. This is what my hair really needed, y'all. Like, it was looking like a bird's nest, like a haystack. It was horrible. So this is bringing my hair back to life, sealing my ends a little bit, and I'm also going to show you guys how I cut my ends. But first, I just wanted to show y'all my little wash day routine when I do a little Botox. And just look how shiny and silky and beautiful this conditioner and shampoo has my hair already. And I haven't even did the deep conditioner yet. I'm gonna do that next. But just look how beautiful this is. Like, Botox and keratin treatments definitely give your hair like that restoration that it needs. It just brings it back to life, makes it more silky and manageable. And I'm just in love with how this is looking already. And my hair was so soft and silky. It was ridiculous. I couldn't even believe the transformation my hair just went into in like 10-15 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and make sure my hair is thoroughly rinsed out. I don't want any more conditioner in my hair. I want to make sure my hair is completely clean. And I'm just going to get that water out my hair and take this Nutree Professional Brazilian Botox Expert Thermo Control Mask. It's a lot. It's basically a deep conditioner, like a Botox deep conditioner. And what I also love about their products, especially this deep conditioner, is the consistency of it. It wasn't super thick or anything. It's just perfect. It's not super thin or watery, but it's not thick either. And I love that. I feel like thinner products, I don't know, it just penetrates the hair way better. So I went ahead and let that sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. And my hair felt extremely soft and silky. Like, as I was rubbing it right here, and it smelled so good. But as I was rubbing it, I'm just like, yo, my hair is like so silky and smooth right now. It's crazy. So now I'm just making sure that my mask is completely rinsed out and my hair is very clean, because I'm going to go ahead and start to cut my ends and style my hair. And just look how silky that is, you guys. I'm in love with these products so much. So I went ahead and did my makeup and got dressed. So now it's time to cut these ends. I haven't cut my ends in probably like, I don't know, probably like 5 or 6 months. I typically like to get my ends cut professionally, but when I don't, or I just feel like my ends are very straggly, I go ahead and just do it myself. I'm not a professional, and don't follow what I do because I don't know what I'm doing. I just bought some really good hair scissors, and I just decided I'm gonna cut my own ends. And I've done this before, y'all. I've cut my own ends before, and I mean, it's okay. It ain't never hurt me. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair off into parts, and I'm going to section the front part into twos and start to go ahead and cut my hair. And I'm doing this with absolutely no product in my hair right now. So my hair has no product in it, and I'm looking for those split ends or those single strand knots. And as you can see, you can literally see how straggly my ends look. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors and probably cut like a 1/2 inch, not even an inch of hair. I mean, I can get a little scissor happy sometimes, but I, you know, just kept telling myself, don't do too much, because last time I cut my ends, y'all, I gave myself a little mini haircut. And that was not my intention. So now I'm just parting my hair in the back, and I'm just going to go ahead and go all throughout my whole head and cut my ends, y'all. So yeah, I finished most of it. I didn't want to like hold up the whole video cutting my ends. So now I'm moving on to my last section, and I'm just looking for those split ends, those single strand knots. And if you guys don't know what single strand knots is, it's basically when one strand of hair ties itself into a knot, you know, just after you, I don't know, just doing anything, not brushing it for 2 days straight, laying in bed, whatever the case may be, your hair frizzes up, it gets caught on each other, or the hairs get caught on each other, and you gotta have a 2-strand knot where 2 strands tie together. Single strand knot is when one strand of hair just ties itself into a knot, and that right there can break your hair off and inhibit any growth. And we want our hair to grow. We don't want no problems. We want long, flourishing, healthy hair. So this is how much hair I've cut off. It looked like a lot, but it really wasn't. It's mainly my ends. I definitely did this very in depth, you guys. Like, I took small parts out of each section and went and cut all my ends. I wanted to make sure, you know, my hair is healthy because I was actually getting my hair done the day after I recorded this. So I wanted to make sure before I got this sewn, I wanted my hair to, you know, just be healthy, you know. So now I'm just applying product. I'm just doing like a leave-in conditioner, and I'm just combing that through, making sure the product is distributed all throughout my hair from the roots to the ends. And I'm going to go ahead and spray that side with some water, get it nice and moisturized because it dried while I was cutting my ends since I didn't have any product in it. And I'm going to go ahead and start the style. So I'm putting this on leave-in conditioner. You guys can use any leave-in conditioner you want. I like to use natural products or just products with natural ingredients in it because all products aren't 100% natural. They do sometimes have preservatives in it, so it can have a shelf life. But whatever, I like to use products with healthy ingredients. This is like a biotin oil or something like that. It's just like a hair growth oil. And I got something for y'all, so y'all gotta stay tuned and make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can see the latest updates on everything, because I'm definitely coming out with something soon and I want you guys, you know, to be there for it. So now I'm just taking this oil and massaging it into my scalp because, like I said, my hair has been so dry, so I want to make sure my scalp is moisturized, the lengths of my hair, and mainly my ends. I love to focus on my ends because the ends are the oldest part of your hair. You want to make sure your ends are nice and moisturized. And I just cut my ends and just did my little Botox treatment. So my hair is like, it's going to come back to life now. It was dry, it was brittle, I was being lazy, but today we got it together. So I'm just applying this oil all throughout my hair, and I'm telling y'all, it might look like I'll be applying a lot of products, but my hair will soak it up. By tomorrow or the day after, my hair will be so dry, like I never even put anything in it. It just drinks up everything I put in it. So I'm just making sure to get all sides of my head, making sure my hair is completely moisturized, and you can see how moisturized it is. I think having a clean scalp and moisturized hair is the main keys to long growing hair. And doing nothing else to it. You know, you can't do too much to your hair. You could get weaves, you could get sew-ins. Just make sure it's done properly. But I don't like to even put heat in my hair because, I mean, if I did, it wouldn't look this good, you know. I just like to keep it moisturized and keep it clean. And yeah, and another little tip, you guys, when you guys use like a dimming brush or the flexi brush, when you twirl it around like that, it gives your hair a little more definition rather than just brushing it completely through. You just brush it through but twirl it at the ends, and it's just going to give your hair a nice little curl. And when it dries, it's just going to be this perfect, prominent, luscious curl. It's just going to be so pretty. And y'all already know I cannot complete a hairstyle without my baby hairs being on fleek. So I'm going to go ahead and slay my edges really quickly. I mean, it really don't matter because it's so hot outside. My edges are probably going to just curl up anyways. But we still got to put the baby hairs on fleek. So my hair is finally finished, and I'm so in love with my results. You can see that huge difference. Before it was just so dry and brittle, and now it's just so silky and shiny, soft and manageable. I'm just throwing in some earrings real quick to complete my look. But these products have my hair feeling so moisturized and soft, and the brush was just going right through like butter. I'm definitely in love with these products. If you want to try these Botox products yourself, make sure you check the description box down below because I do have a discount code for you to use at checkout. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, and thanks for watching. Mwah.